What is up, guys? Welcome back to Spoiled Little Bastards. And on today's episode, we have, as you guys can probably see by the thumbnail and the title, we have another Tuned in Tokyo mystery box. I did a little thing on Instagram to see if you guys wanted me to do one. I know it's been a while, so I said let's do it. Even the guys over at Tuned in Tokyo said let's get it going, so I had to do it. I haven't gotten one of these in a while. I missed their shirts and missed their gear. So that's going to be the video for today. I know it's been a while since we have made a video. It's been, I always say this, but it's been very hectic. There's a lot of them going. There's a lot that's going to be in store. There's going to be some things going on with the truck, some new stuff. Glamis season is coming up, which we're getting prepped for, which is, you guys just have to stay tuned for that stuff because that stuff's going to be epic. And enough jibber jabber, let's hop into this box. Let's see what we got here. I'm excited. I think they've got some new gear. I think they've got some new cool stuff. So let's go ahead. I'm using this with a flathead screwdriver, so I couldn't find the knife. And let's see what we've got in store here. Ooh, I already see some fancy colors. Oh, that is sick. Alright, so first things first, we got a little baggie here that's probably got all the shirts and the extra stuff in it. Let's see, we've got the packing list we don't really need. Alright, so we've got a Street Legends. I'm going to zoom this in just a little bit. Alright, it's going to zoom, oh, wrong way. It's going to zoom way in on me. Alright, let's see, is that good enough? Alright, cool. Street Legends. Lanyard here. I've got tons of these already. Let's see. Next thing here. Back to school mystery boxes here. Download our app. Alright. Let's see. We've got a Tuned in Tokyo sticker there. I've got so many stickers as well. A NOS keychain. I think I get this keychain every single time I do one of these. And the next thing is the backpack. It is the bride one in the front with the blue Sparko straps. I wanted to do blue because of the marrow, obviously. I'm thinking of doing a giveaway of some SLB gear on the Instagram and maybe throwing in one of these backpacks, obviously like putting it inside and kind of doing a huge giveaway. So if you guys want to do that or want to enter and be a part of that, make sure you guys go follow the Instagram. Our Instagram account name, whatever you want to call it, is down below in the comment section. So make sure you go follow that. I definitely do like the blue Sparko. I don't know if I don't think I have that one already, but if I do, oh well. And on to the real goodie bag here. Let's see. Oh, they've got it all sealed up this time, huh? So the only thing I'm noticing now is I did not get a hat. Not that I've been wearing a lot of hats, but I've noticed that there's no hat here. So, first shirt here. Wow, they really upgraded on their packaging. This is going to take a little bit more longer. Alright, so first shirt has, I would say, the moon in the front over the heart. Oh, this is sick. Those are cool colors. It's got a dragon with the mountain and some color. I like that one because of the colors. That's freaking cool. Alright, shirt number one, a solid. I like that one a lot. Let's see, alrighty. A shirt that I think I actually just wore like a couple days ago. I think this is it. Yep, I already have this shirt. You guys have probably seen this. I think this was in the second video. If I stand corrected, then my bad. But I already have that shirt, but that's okay because the other one I have is getting a little tight on me. So yeah, I did update to an XL. Not that I'm swole or big, but it's just, I don't know. I'm not really enjoying the smaller stuff. Next one is, it looks like the turboed Stormtrooper. That was pretty cool. I like that one. Not that we got any twin turbo stuff, maybe in the future, but it's a pretty cool shirt. Something I can work in and get it dirty. Ooh, I like this color already. Let's see, so, which side is it? So this one's like a baby blue. Ooh, and it's a long sleeve, okay. So that looks like it's got some writing on the sleeves. It says Tokyo, Japan on this one. And on the back is the same emblem. Legends with the, I want to say that's the moon and the waves. That's a pretty cool one. I think the blue will look good on me. Nice tan. So that one's pretty cool. So I've got 3 shirts, right? 1, 2, 3 shirts, 1 long sleeve. Here's a couple more stickers. There's that one. There is this one with a Reaper skeleton reading a book. And then I have this stick right now, but it's the wolf behind the moon. Final thing is the jacket or hoodie. And I always love their hoodies because they're always like a really cool, like, they look like a racing design. And their colors are pretty awesome. And by far, okay, you know what the problem is with this one? Is this one gives off very heavy, like, shreddy vibes. If you know what I mean. I know a lot of people of you know what that is. This one says Motorsport on this sleeve. It's got the checkered on the other, and this is the color combo and what it says on the front. I think that's super cool though. I think that I like the color combo a lot. The teal, the white, and the purple. I think that's super sick. So that is going to conclude. See, those colors make me pop too. Perfect. So I think that is going to conclude today's video. There's no hat. There's only 3 shirts. Am I missing something else? No. That's all that usually comes with it. It's usually what happens is there's 1 long sleeve, 1 hoodie, 4 shirts, a hat, and yeah, and then all the extra goodies. So I think by far my favorite is either the hoodie or the first shirt. I like the colors. I really like the brighter colors. Like, I don't know. It's just kind of more my thing now. As like I could probably match it with my blue shorts. Not that you guys care, but alrighty. So that is going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you guys did like another Tune in Tokyo mystery box unveiling. And glad that I guess I was able to do another one because these are always fun to do. And leave a comment down if you guys think I should do more of these, if I should continuously do it, if I should raffle off maybe some of this stuff, you know, like maybe we'll get a box going, we'll raffle off a ticket and we'll pick out that specific size for you, we'll send the box to you, who knows, but I'd like to do something with Tune in Tokyo. I think that would be a cool collaboration, so if anyone from Tune in Tokyo is watching, yeah, you know, hit me up. I'd like to do something with you guys. I think it'd be sweet. Leave a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep building. I know, like I said, I've been distant, but hey, it's all for good reasoning. I promise. There's going to be a lot of stuff to happen. I think the upcoming videos that are next are going to be involving my truck and the Camaro. The Camaro is getting something very special. Interior wise, and that's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say anything else, so you guys will see that in a future video, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.